Yes, Walmart Family Mobile has a dedicated app available for both iOS and Android devices. This app is designed to help you manage your prepaid wireless service with ease. Key features include plan management, allowing you to view, upgrade, or downgrade your plans, real time usage tracking for data, talk, and text to monitor your consumption, easy billing and payments with auto pay options, and Walmart gift card support, recharge options for topping up your account instantly, customer support via an AI chatbot for quick assistance, exclusive offers for Walmart shoppers to enhance your experience. Launched as part of Walmart's digital strategy, the app emphasizes self service to reduce customer service calls. As of August 2025, recent updates include minor bug fixes, UI improvements, and enhanced encryption for user data. The app has over 1 million downloads and a 4.5-star rating. Managing your Walmart Family Mobile account through the app is straightforward. You can sign up during plan activation at Walmart stores or online, and then link your account to the app using your phone number and PIN. Family plans allow you to manage sub-accounts, set data limits, and view individual usage. The app also offers security features like two-factor authentication and biometric login. To download the app, simply go to the App Store for iOS devices running iOS 12.0 or later, or Google Play for Android devices running Android 6.0 plus. Search for Walmart Family Mobile and install it. Downloads are free, and the app will automatically detect your account upon login if you're an existing user. Make sure your device is linked to a Google or Apple account for updates.